How to fix Wi-Fi name not showing issue on iPhone. If you're having trouble with your iPhone not detecting your Wi-Fi network name or the Wi-Fi name not showing up, this video is for you. We're going to go through a few simple steps to fix this issue, so let's get started. First, make sure your Wi-Fi router is turned on and working properly. Check if the Wi-Fi lights are blinking or solid to confirm that the router is broadcasting the signal. If the router seems off or not working, try rebooting it by turning it off for 10 seconds and then turning it back on. Now let's go to your iPhone. Just open the settings app, tap on Wi-Fi. If Wi-Fi is already on, turn it off and then turn it back on. This can sometimes refresh your network search and make the same Wi-Fi name appear. Now, if you're still not seeing your network name, just tap on your Wi-Fi network again to reconnect and enter your Wi-Fi password. This can help resolve any connection glitches. If the issue persists, try restarting your iPhone. Just hold the power button and volume button until the slider appears, then slide to power off. After your phone shut down, press and hold the power button again to turn it back on. If none of the above worked, you can reset your network settings. This will clear all saved networks and settings, so you'll need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks. To do this, just go back to settings and on general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset. Simply click on reset and tap on reset network settings. Confirm the reset and your iPhone will reboot. Another steps to try is updating your iPhone's iOS. Go back to General and tap on Software Update. And if there's an update available, simply install it. Finally, check your router settings. Some routers have an option to hide the Wi-Fi name, so you can log into your router settings and make sure that SSID broadcast is enabled so that your Wi-Fi network is visible. And that's it, your Wi-Fi name should now be visible on your iPhone.